Hi, I'm Lewis from Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fully erect your rollout canopy. So the first thing you want to do is grab your winding handle. Now if you've got a motorhome, these can be found normally in the garage area or above the cab. So you grab this and you want to make your way to the end of the blind that's got the insert for it to go into. You then start to unwind the canopy. At this point, where the canopy has come out quite some distance, you could even now start putting the legs down. This is to support the weight of the canopy so the supporting arms don't bend. Alternatively, if you have another pair of hands with you, you could ask them gently to just support the front here whilst you continue rolling out the blind. For the purpose of this, I'm going to assume I'm on my own, and so I will begin putting the legs down. On all canopies, they may be slightly different, but on this one here, we unclip, pull the leg out and allow it to drop. You can then tighten them up by pushing this clip in, and that will firm up the leg. I'll just do the same on the other side. And they're down. You'll notice that I've slightly angled them forward. This is so when the canopy comes out a bit more, these will then straighten up, and it just means you don't need to stop and start as much. When you see them start to angle backwards, again, just push them forward at a slight angle, and you can continue. And there you have it. So the next thing to do is to make sure the legs are nice and straight, they're nice and secure, and they're not going to fall down. So on this model, which is a two-lay Omnistore 5200, the catch here for the legs should be in the up position, which means it is locked in place. On other models, such as Fiamma, you may have a wing nut version in the same area. It will work exactly the same, you just need to make sure that that's nice and tight. When it comes to putting the canopy away, it is a reverse procedure of how we rolled it out. So you would angle the legs back ever so slightly, either side, just to help support the weight at the front, until you get to about halfway. You can then put the legs away and continue rolling it up back into the case. The sun canopies are great for sunny weather or for taking shelter from light rain or a light breeze. However, if the weather does take a turn for the worse, we do recommend putting them away for safety and to avoid damaging the canopy and your vehicle. So that is how you fully wind out and erect your two-lay canopy. For more information on this product or to purchase one of these products, please get in touch or visit our online shop.